Today we are going to tell you about a sea creature called seahorse, which lives in the depths of the ocean and enhances its amazing beauty. It is small in size, but its bright eyes and skin are very beautiful, which captivates the mind as soon as it is seen. Seahorses, delicate marine creatures, inhabit coastal waters worldwide. Their unique prehensile tails grip seagrass, while they camouflage among coral reefs. Despite their small size, they play a vital role in ocean ecosystems, feeding on tiny crustaceans and serving as prey for larger predators. Seahorses are fascinating creatures of the sea, known for their horse-like heads, curled tails, and ability to change color for camouflage. They belong to the genus Hippocampus and inhabit shallow, coastal waters around the world. Males carry eggs in a pouch until they hatch, a rare phenomenon in the animal kingdom. Threats like habitat loss and illegal trade pose significant challenges to their survival. Conservation efforts are crucial for their protection. Seahorses are found in various marine habitats around the world, primarily in shallow coastal waters, including coral reefs, seagrass beds, mangroves, and estuaries. They inhabit regions spanning from tropical to temperate climates, with some species even found in colder waters. However, they are particularly abundant in warm, tropical waters. Specific locations where seahorses can be found include the Caribbean Sea, the Indo-Pacific region, the Mediterranean Sea, and the waters around Australia. There are around 45 recognized species of seahorses, belonging to the genus Hippocampus within the family Cyngnathidae. Some notable species include 1. Common seahorse, Hippocampus cuda, found in the Indo-Pacific region. It's one of the most widespread seahorse species. 2. Big belly seahorse, Hippocampus abdominalis, native to Australia and New Zealand. It's known for its large, protruding belly. 3. Dwarf seahorse, Hippocampus zosterei, native to the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean Sea. It's one of the smallest seahorse species. 4. Thorny seahorse, Hippocampus hystrix, found in the Indo-Pacific. It has distinct spines covering its body. 5. Pacific seahorse, Hippocampus ingens, native to the Eastern Pacific. It's one of the largest seahorse species. 6. Lined seahorse, Hippocampus erectus, found in the western Atlantic Ocean. It has distinct lines running down its body. These are just a few examples, but there are many more species, each with its own unique characteristics and habitat preferences. Seahorses have a unique and fascinating breeding system, where the male seahorse carries and incubates the fertilized eggs. The process typically involves courtship rituals between male and female seahorses, which may include dancing, color changes, and intricate displays. During mating, the female seahorse transfers her eggs to a specialized pouch on the male's abdomen. The male fertilizes the eggs internally and then carries them in his pouch, where they develop and receive nutrients from the father. The gestation period varies depending on the species, but generally lasts several weeks. Once the eggs are fully developed, the male gives birth to live young by contracting his pouch muscles, expelling the tiny seahorses into the surrounding water. This method of reproduction is unique among fish and is one of the defining characteristics of seahorses. After birth, the young seahorses are independent and must fend for themselves. They face various challenges, including predation and finding suitable habitats, as they grow and mature into adults. The male seahorse may mate again shortly after giving birth, continuing the cycle of reproduction. Conserving seahorses is important for several reasons. 1. Biodiversity. Seahorses are a vital part of marine ecosystems. They help maintain biodiversity by controlling populations of small marine organisms and serving as prey for larger predators. 2. Ecosystem health. Seahorses inhabit a variety of habitats, including coral reefs, seagrass beds, and mangroves. Protecting seahorses means preserving these habitats, which are essential for the health of other marine species and the overall functioning of marine ecosystems. 3. Economic value. Seahorses have economic value for local communities through ecotourism, aquarium trade, and traditional medicine. Sustainable management of seahorse populations can provide livelihoods for coastal communities while preventing overexploitation. To conserve seahorses, here are some strategies. 1. Habitat protection. Establishing marine protected areas (MPAs) and implementing habitat restoration projects can help conserve the habitats where seahorses live. This includes protecting coral reefs, seagrass beds, and mangrove forests. 2. Regulation of trade. Implementing regulations on the international trade of seahorses through agreements, like the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, CITES, helps prevent overexploitation and illegal trade. 3. Research and monitoring. Conducting research on seahorse populations and monitoring their populations over time can provide valuable data for conservation efforts. This includes studying their habitat preferences, population dynamics, and threats they face. 4. Public awareness and education. Raising awareness about the importance of seahorses and the threats they face can help garner support for conservation efforts. Education programs targeted at local communities, policymakers, and tourists can promote responsible behavior and sustainable practices. 5. Community involvement. Involving local communities in conservation efforts can lead to more effective and sustainable outcomes. This can include empowering communities to participate in monitoring programs, developing alternative livelihoods, and promoting sustainable fishing practices. By implementing these strategies and working together on a global scale, we can help conserve seahorses and protect the marine ecosystems they inhabit. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, share and press the bell icon to get an informative videos. Thanks for watching.